Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Lazyvim is a neovim configuration that emphasizes a modular and extensible setup. When it comes to linting and formatting, Lazyvim allows you to integrate various tools seamlessly. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to set up linting and formatting in Lazyvim, including examples and configurations. 1. Prerequisites. Before we start, ensure you have neovim installed, version 0.5 or higher. Lazyvim installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so by following the Lazyvim installation guide, https://github.com/lazyvim/lazyvim. 2. Setting up linting and formatting. Step 1. Install linter and formatter tools. You'll need to install the desired linter and formatter tools for your programming languages. Here are some common tools: JavaScript/TypeScript, eslint, prettier. Python, Flake8, Black. Go, golint, gofmt. Rust, rustfmt, clippy. You can install these tools globally using npm, pip, or your system's package manager. For instance, bash. For JavaScript/TypeScript, npm install eslint prettier. For Python, pip install Flake8 Black. For Go, go install golang.org/x/lint/golint at latest. Step 2. Configure neovim for linting and formatting. 1. Install LSP and formatter plugins. Lazyvim uses a modular approach, so you'll need to add the necessary plugins for LSP and formatting capabilities. You can do this by modifying the init.lua or init.vim file in your Lazyvim configuration. Here's an example of how to add null ls.nvim for linting and formatting. Lua. Init.lua. Require, lazy.setup. Other plugins. Jose Elias Alvarez /null ls.nvim. Dependencies equals nvim lua/plenary.nvim. Config equals function. Local null_ls equals require, null ls. null_ls.setup. Sources equals JavaScript/TypeScript. null_ls.builtins.diagnostics.eslint. null_ls.builtins.formatting.prettier. Python. null_ls.builtins.diagnostics.flake8. null_ls.builtins.formatting.black. Go. null_ls.builtins.diagnostics.golint. null_ls.builtins.formatting.gofmt. End. 2. Configure LSP and auto format on save. You might want to set up your neovim to automatically format your code on save. To do this, you can use the following configuration: Lua, init.lua, vim.cmd, agrp format on save, autocompt. Autocompt buff write pre*lsp.buff.formatting_sync. Agrp end. 3. Linting and formatting commands. After setting up the above configurations, you can use the following commands within neovim to lint and format your code. Linting. The linting will happen automatically on file save if you set up the autocompt. You can also manually trigger it using vim. luavim.lsp.diagnostic.show_line_diagnostics. Formatting. To format the current buffer, you can use vim. luavim.lsp.buff.formatting. For example project setup. Let's say you are working on a JavaScript project. Here's how you might structure it. 1. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Bash. mkdir my.js project. cd my.js project. To initialize a new npm project and install eslint and prettier. Bash. npm init y. npm install save dev eslint prettier. 3. Create eslint configuration file, .eslinter.js. JavaScript. Module.exports equals. env. Browser, true. ES 2021, true. Extends, eslint recommended. Parser options. ECMA version, 12. Source type, module. Rules. 4. Create a sample JavaScript file, index.js. JavaScript. Const hello world equals. Console.log, hello, world. Hello world. 5. Open index.js in neovim, make some intentional linting errors, and save the file. The linter will show warnings/errors, and the formatter will format the code automatically on save. Conclusion. With Lazyvim set up for linting and formatting, you can maintain high code quality and adhere to coding standards effortlessly. The integration of tools like eslint, prettier, flake8, and black ensures that your code remains clean and error-free. Feel free to customize the configurations and tools according to your specific needs.